Hello everyone, my name is Usman Ahmed. I am from PeopleQlik. PeopleQlik is a very simple, modern, enterprise nature HR system for your teams. You can build winning teams with PeopleQlik. It has complete end-to-end modules for managing a healthy workforce in your company. So it started with we call it core HR. Core HR means that we have certain modules in core HR, including employee induction, assets management for the employees. Then we have payroll module, leave and attendance module. It is also integrated to your biometric devices, and we are also enabling the check-in, check-out features on the mobile apps. We have complete self-service portal of the employees from the mobile app. We have integration to your emails, SMS, and kind of notifications in the software. Surveys management, different type of questionnaires, and then we have add-on modules we call like one of the add-on module is recruitment. One of the add-on module is the performance management, and then we have trainings and development module, and we have business travel module. And the core module of everything that PeopleQlik does is the analytics module. These days, as you can understand as well, that analytics, HR analytics is the core requirement. If you need to be competitive in the market, you need to understand your workforce, their problems, and you need to create a culture in the company. So we are providing you all sort of data that you need to build that culture in the company. So coming back to the software, I am on the web portal called bilitica.peopleqlik.com, which is I just logged into one of the instance here. This is my home and dashboard. We have different type of job openings because the thing is that even you can start getting resumes from your other employees as well, and we call referrals. And then we have files and favorite icons here that you can see. These are the modules in the system. Starting with administration, it includes everything, including company announcements to the organizational structure to the workflows. For example, if you are doing any kind of activity, you can attach a workflow to that. For example, if you are executing a payroll, you want payroll approval somewhere, you can attach a workflow. You can do the leave management, and if a leave is annual leave, you want HR to be notified and the approval from HR to come as well. So this is also kind of workflow. So workflow has different stages for the approval. And if you have are going to recruit someone and you need for every step kind of approval stages, you can attach those in the system. We have induction and asset modules where this is related to all employees, 360 views, to different kind of other modules like separation of the employee. It includes the final settlement, complete final settlement process of the employee. By the way, it is very, very comprehensive module. Assets management is there, and then there are different other stuff like a setup and where you can set up some stuff and reporting module. We have compensation module for the payroll execution. It includes also a lot of stuff that we will discuss in some other session, because today's focus is the recruitment and selection. Then we have the leave module where you can have related to your leave, everything that you can think of, including and then we have the attendance where you can do the rota schedule of your employees and the shift management and stuff kind of that. We have advances and reimbursement for the expense management and reimbursement for your employees, loans and stuff like that. We have then our add-on module for business travel. And now coming back to the recruitment, we will just come detail to this section. But we have appraisal and performance module for where you can set up 360 views or other views, reviews, and you can review every month or quarter or according to your company policy. By the way, a shift is going on in the HR industry that companies are moving towards a monthly reviews process rather than the annual. So this is also supported in our system. Training and development is there, where you can see, a complete module for the training management of your employees. And we understand the importance of the trainings. We can discuss this somewhere else as well in another session. Self-service is the portal for your employees. We have a mobile app as well for Android and Apple iOS phones and stuff, that your employees can start using from the Play Store. They can download the mobile app called PeopleQlik, and they can also, do a lot of these activities in the mobile app as well. Even the interviews that you can perform, that the feedback can be written in the mobile app or the laptop as well in the self-service portal. So in the recruitment and selection, we have a complete end-to-end solution here. Request for hire is a screen where all of the requests come from different managers for different type of jobs, and vacancy is posted after that. And vacancy cannot be posted if the job is not in organizational structure, because when you are creating an organization structure, you can say that in my organization structure, software engineers can be only 3. So the job cannot be posted for the number 4 until unless there is a vacancy there, or you modify your organization structure. So it's a very tight control system, in a way that you can actually enforce your policies in the system as well. Anyways, I'm coming back to the vacancy screen. So we just created one vacancy here. I said that sourcing method mostly is job portal, but CVs can come from your referrals, from your folders, from other external websites as well. We accept those, but you can post this to the portal as well. What is a job portal? You need to learn that, because we have a very decent job portal designed for your career page. So this job portal is here. This comes on your career page, where your website and career. So it has certain things like register screen, where you can actually go and register as a candidate. So once you come back to the job portal, you can log into the system. If I log into the system, this will come here and we will sign in. Before that, just to give you some other overview, that after the job portal, the CVs comes, and then CV also come from your folders in your laptops. Also, it can be collected from your referrals from your employees or some other external. This is a module where everything is collected, and then you can shortlist some of those, start the interview process. We have a setup, by the way, here, where you can actually set up your interviewers and many other things. So when you start interview process, the initialize evaluation, this actually set up the calendars of your actually recruiters, their interview process and stuff. It is there. I'm not going in detail. In some other session we will go, but after the finalized evaluation, if you're sending the job offer, all kind of letters attachment to the system is there. And then if they accept the offer by email, there is a link that they can accept. Once they accept, they can digitally sign as well, and the job offer comes here and you can perform join. So perform joining, create the employee as well. So this is a complete like a cycle for us. In the job portal, it is considered your website, and people are coming on your website. They are looking for different jobs and they can apply a certain job. The system asks them to log in. Once they log in, they can build their profile. So once they build their profile, with the profile what they are building in the system, this profile will be stored in the database, and they can, based on the profile, they can search the different opportunities in your company. They can also see the opportunities on the homepage of your career page that I just showed you before, and there can be applications that they can apply, and they can see the status of the application. They can be part of the interview process, and then there is a password change screen or stuff. A very simple one. So as you have seen that it's a very decent job portal where and this is, by the way, in English and Arabic both. So it's a dual lingual at this moment. We are supporting other languages as well, like French as a next stage, but at this moment it is English and Arabic. But we have a screen for keywords here. In the administration, there is something called keywords. Here you can, by the way, set up your own screens as well, and you can introduce a new translation language. But anyways, we will provide that in future as well. For recruitment, thank you very much for watching. It was just very small overview of the module. as a next stage, if you ask me your questions, we will post you the details for those. And in the next sessions, I will be discussing some of other modules because it is an enterprise part. It has a lot of things. It requires a certain different sessions that I can record on the subject. So thank you very much. Have a very good day. Bye bye.